Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a really gorgeous bag to show you today. So this is a Furla Margarita and I'm just in love with it. It is a beautiful colour. I love this smooth green leather that we have on the front, and then we've got the contrast of that nice textured grained leather on the back as well. And I really like the shape. It's just a little bit different. It's not like every other bag that you see. It's a really nice shape. I love this belt closure on the front and the nice rounded shape at the top as well. It is a really gorgeous little bag. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one top handle. You can see that it's still got all of its protective original packaging on it. So we've just kept that on and just kind of shuffled it along so that you can see these features. So we've got that one leather top handle. And then we also have a longer adjustable strap, again in that nice green grained leather. And then we have this turn lock belt closure. So you just turn that like that, and then these slip off on either side, just like that, and then that pulls through that little section there. And then when you open it up, you've got a really nice soft microfiber, black microfiber lining to the bag, and we have got one flat pocket right at the back, and then we've got another flat pocket on the front of there as well. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. It is in an incredible condition. Like I said before, it still had all of its original packaging on it. We've got 4 base studs along the bottom as well, in that really nice gold hardware, which goes really beautifully with this green colour as well. The condition, it is basically brand new. Didn't have any packaging taken off. All of the hardware, all of the leather, the shape, the interior is all perfect. I'm going to show you all around so that you can see that condition close up. Those base studs on the bottom, it is all perfect. There is no marks at all for me to show you. It is in an unused, brand new, excellent condition. So interior, exterior and hardware are all excellent. You can see what a nice shine that gold hardware has to it. So it is a really beautiful bag, especially if you're looking for a gift for someone, because it is in such a nice condition. It would be a perfect gift. I'm going to show you what it comes with. So we have Furla envelope, and inside there we've got a little Furla care card and a little Furla compliments document there as well. And then we have the Furla dust bag to keep it protected in storage. And finally, attached to the bag, we have a Furla product tag as well. I will show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and I am 5'4". You can have it just with that top handle. That strap is actually removable as well, so you can take that strap off and have it just with that top handle, or it is a nice comfortable crossbody strap to wear as well. And this is the perfect length for a crossbody for me too. And it's really nice leather. It feels very nice quality, but it's nice and lightweight too. I think because of the size, it's the kind of bag that you could use every day because you can fit all your essentials in there. But it just feels really nice and lightweight and comfortable to carry. It's a perfect kind of wintry green as well. So if you are interested in this bag, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you straight to this bag on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we have a request list, so if you've been looking out for one of these, or you've just seen it on our YouTube, you've fallen in love with it, then let us know and we'll get you on the request list for one. And as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that is your request list. Get on there if this is gone but you are still interested in one of these. And while you're on our website, don't forget you can sign up to our newsletter, and when you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags with us. We would love to see what we've got for us and all the details you need to know on that page. So have a read through. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, and if you're a bag lover, definitely subscribe to this channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.